What's up, guys? It's not your ordinary barber with N.Y.O Barber Shop.
What up, y'all? It's a CT Bar with N.Y.O podcast, and today, what's up? What we got?
Today we're going to be talking about the end of the year, the beginning of the new year, January.
January, man. What's up with January? Why all barbers are like afraid of January? What's the thing with it?
Well, it's because they're afraid to get slow. Everybody comes in for the holidays, man, and then January hits, and a lot of guys go. They go without a haircut, bro.
I mean, everything gets slowed.
Yeah, it's everywhere. That's why you got to prepare for it beforehand. I think
Economy slow. Everything's slow, man.
the you know, that's why it's important. You got to kind of take advantage of the times that you are busy.
Yeah.
Because now in January, probably until either people get their taxes
Save your bread.
or either, by the time people get their taxes, or Valentine's Day is probably the next rush you're going to get, really. You know what I mean? That you're going to see people you haven't seen in like forever, you know?
Like that rush that you get busy and stuff like that
Yep.
it's a few months, you know. It's not just Christmas and then you're busy again on January. You get a break. Take a break.
Yeah, I think that January is a tough month for all barbers. But if you planned it out correctly, you know, you can go and take this time and be with your family. A lot of barbers go on vacation in January,
Yeah.
you know, so they make up that time, you know what I mean?
I mean, you gotta be careful how like you manage your money, how you plan all those things out because even after the holidays you could go down,
Yeah.
you know, because shit is slow and clientele's if you can have clientele and make a lot a lot of money, but say that like you have trips coming up, but your income is not gonna be the same as December.
Correct.
That's the thing. So
Yeah, I mean, you know, you just kind of have to split it up, I guess. You know what I mean? However, you guys can manage it, but
yeah,
figure out that you are going to have slow months, you are going to have busy months. You got to take the good with the bad. You know what I'm saying?
yeah, and that's everywhere.
Yeah, facts. So, what else you wanted to talk about today?
I have something to talk about with you. I see the barber industry growing, man. In general,
What what differences have you seen since
I see a lot more people in the events.
Okay.
I see a lot more people joining even this idea that like a lot of people are coming out with podcasts. A lot of people are making videos. A lot of more marketing. Like new barbers coming up, like with different ideas of how to get clientele, like working
Networking?
wise.
Yeah.
And you know, it's good. That makes me real happy as a barber that like we're getting united together, and not everybody feel like that. Not everybody likes to share ideas and stuff like that.
No, you got a lot of people that don't like to
I
share
mean,
ideas. Some people are like, you know, what's that? What's that? Gatekeeping. They're gatekeeping all types of stuff. But I mean, I'm gonna be honest with you, man. You go out now and you go on social media, you're gonna see a bunch of people doing something similar because this is how it is. You know what I'm trying to say?
you know, and there's nothing wrong with that. Like with doing same idea but with different concept, at least you know.
You know,
So
I'm a firm believer that you should always try to do something and make it your own.
exactly.
You know, you have tons of guys out there doing tutorial videos. Some of them are different, some aren't. Same thing with like comment, like little like funny skits and things like that. People do,
Yeah,
and I mean, just make it your own, man. That's about it. You know what I mean?
exactly.
It's just not, nowadays you're not gonna have an idea that somebody else hasn't thought about. You get what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, that's what I mean though. You gotta add your flow, your like you know
Your spin on it.
your
You gotta
style
do you.
and like gotta do you, even if it's with the same line,
Hmm.
you know. But it's real dope to see people grow and like to do different things. So it's a lot of information still to share out there.
Now the other thing is, most people have like New Year's resolutions. Most people wanna do something
I,
different
I
in the new year.
I've heard about that, but I'm not quite sure what that is.
I guess, you know, it's something that they want to try to accomplish,
Oh,
right?
like a goal,
A
yeah.
goal, right?
Okay.
What about you? What do you have settled for to change or do
Uh,
this year?
I have a few like personal wise and like barbering wise too. Barbering wise is always is to get better. There's this few seminars I saw that I want to sign up for. Um, I want to get couple more wins under my belt so I could call that a wrap.
So you're looking to win a couple just to retire?
Yeah.
Like, you too young for that shit.
Not to retire barbering, but
No, not barbering, but you want to
yeah,
retire competing. You don't want to compete anymore.
competition. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right, go
How
ahead.
about
What
you,
else?
man?
No. Finish with you. I know you gotta have more.
Personal wise, there's different stuff I want to do, but I'm gonna say one of them. I want to become a citizen.
There you go.
That's coming up. I'm already in the process of that, so
That's what's up.
that's an important one.
No, that's dope. Me, I just want to get, I mean, to be honest with you, I just want to reach out to people, man. Like kind of go with the punches, like we're going to be doing these shows and taking it to shows and talking to other barbers and talking to other people, things like that. And I think that's going to be dope. But I just want to reach out to people, bro. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah, no doubt. We're definitely gonna, reach out to people, grow, and that takes time. And the things that people don't see is how, like, say it was working just now, then we come over here, make this podcast, make this video, but hard work pays off.
yeah, that's a lot.
That's where I was looking for. Hard work pays off, and that comes with time, and
Like, I'm gonna be honest, bro. I didn't think that it would be so difficult to just get things done.
yeah,
Like you
yeah,
go online, you see people doing videos and you're doing this, and then you're like, okay, I want to start something and do something, and then next thing you know, it's like, what time? You work a full day, you run home, problems or things happen, while you're out, and then you come back and you're like, okay, now we gotta sit here and try to film a podcast, come up with topics, then edit everything, put everything together, post it, this, that, and the third. Like, it's a lot, man. People don't realize.
yeah. That's why people don't really like stick with things.
Yeah.
They give up.
And I can see how it's real easy just to be like, you know what, the heck with it. You know what I'm trying to say?
Like F this, yeah, because it takes time out of it. It takes money,
it takes time,
takes
money.
time out of you, out of your family, and
Yeah.
a lot of people they just say, nah, man, I'm not winning anything. I'm not getting anything out of this back. So that it depends though how your mind is, how your vision is. So I'm a firm believer that you gotta still go get it, even if you don't see the fruits right now. But
but
down the line,
there was a thing
worth
where kind of kept me thinking like, okay, you know what, I'm gonna keep doing it. There were people on Instagram that I don't even know who they are, and some are from the area, some are not from the area. They were like, oh, I like what you're doing, keep doing it, blah blah blah. And aside from like all the other stuff you get people that hate, you get people that say this and that, but
that always gonna be there.
the bet that those little comments and things like that people tell you is, well, all right, you know what, I'm gonna keep doing it. You know what I mean? And I'm fortunate that that I have you to actually be here and do this craziness with me too, because not everybody. People be like, yeah,
That's what I mean, man. You gotta. How do I put this, man? Depends how you look at things. How strong mentally are you? How you are in your mind to like accept and like believe in what you have.
No, that's true.
A lot of people are gonna say, "Nah, man, look at this two fools doing this, doing that," but who cares?
Yeah, I don't care about none of that anymore anyway, too.
Yeah,
All right, so
you gotta be strong.
We kind of got off a topic real quick. So, all right, so you want to win it? You want to win some more trophies? So you can
that's
quit.
coming up. That's coming up. Yeah.
All right, so you really want to stop competing? Why?
I don't know. I'm just probably not built for it, man.
Yeah.
Probably, I don't think it's my thing.
No, I get it. It's not for everybody.
It
does get a little tiring.
Yeah, but I don't know. Like, it's weird because I don't get nervous, bro, at all. Out of everything that I've done in my life, I've been an athlete, right? You know how like when you play baseball, basketball, there's a lot of fans, this, that. I probably get more nervous playing baseball than doing that.
Well, that's
it's not really something that really fulfills like me, like as a barber. So that's the thing. Like, I don't know. It's kind of weird.
The way I see it is different. It's not like playing a game and having fans or people watch you. It's the adrenaline of you trying to do the best work you can to win.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? It's different playing a game,
Yeah.
than it is actually, you know.
It's the same concept though. You're performing live with people there. That's the
Yeah.
thing.
No, it's true.
But I mean, I love the adrenaline though. I love it. I really like to do it.
Yeah, that I like a lot. I guess it's like whatever, like an adrenaline junkie, but
Yeah.
I mess with that a lot, dude. I like to compete and I like to go to these shows because
Nah,
you see all these different things, man. Like,
you keep doing. I'm gonna be there if I don't compete, man.
no, but I'm
I'm
not
be
gonna be doing it
supporting.
much longer, man. Nah, I think
I think I'm still doing it because of you, honestly.
nah. I think after. I mean, I'm gonna be honest, bro. I was thinking about this. I was like, really, maybe after Berks, I'm done with competing, and I'm just gonna kind of concentrate on other
Nah,
things.
but you're really nice at it, so you keep doing it.
Yeah, I think after Berks, I think that's about it. Berks, and then
Where's County coming up?
see, yeah, Connecticut. I'm not gonna do. I just kind of want to, network with everybody and get,
Get this rolling, yeah. I'm
this or
sure
that or whatever we got going on at the time. I want to put more, concentration into that. You know what I'm trying to say?
yeah, a couple of the guys off the shot are probably gonna go, so we definitely in the cut anyways.
Yeah.
So
No, I mean that's kind of like was my whole goal too, man. To get the guys involved and to get them out there to compete too.
yeah.
What happens is you get what's that word I'm looking for? You get happy with what you're doing just in your area that you don't get to see what else is out there. But when you go to these competitions, it's like, man, I thought I was nice, but you
It's
got
a
some
lot of
people over there
killers
that are
out
like,
there, man.
you got some people in some stuff that
A
you
lot
see,
of
you're like,
killers.
what the heck?
Yeah. It's a lot of real dope barbers out there, man.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie.
And a lot more countries joining in there, man.
Yeah,
I see a lot of Mexicans, a lot of Puerto
they
Ricans, a
started
lot
something in Mexico too.
yeah.
They have like
Oh, Barber Expo.
a barber expo in Mexico,
Oh wow.
which I think is pretty dope.
I know they have one in San Croix and one in Puerto Rico.
Yeah,
So now they got Mexico. See, that goes back to what I said. Like everything just flowing and growing as the industry goes.
yeah.
That's good.
All right, so what else we want to try to accomplish this year?
Um, what else?
Like barbering, there's like so much to do.
Yeah.
I want to start taking this to shows and talking to people and
Oh, to the events and stuff.
to the events. And,
Yeah, we're definitely doing that.
I mean, it's an investment because you got to pay for booths and travel and lug everything with you and things like that. But I mean,
Every movement is money, bro. Every step, it's money. So,
a lot of people don't. That's the other thing too. You guys don't realize, man. Like some of these vendors and stuff, just to get into a table, it's a several $100s.
Yeah.
Plus travel, plus whatever equipment and all that other stuff they're taking with them.
Yeah.
Like it gets expensive, man.